all the creativity you need so that you can be great in this audition. You're going to get this part. You're going to be rich and famous. You're going to be a movie star. When I say the special word, you'll open your eyes, alert, refreshed, ready, full of confidence, full of creativity, ready to win this audition and get the role. Good for you. Feeling so good, so positive now. Let yourselves 1, 2, 3, awake. So we're going to take a little pause in the show. I don't usually do this, but I have a friend who asked me to hold an audition tonight since he knew I was going to be here with all these people. You're the perfect age group for this movie that he's making. All right, here's the deal. You all get to do this. It's real simple. My friend's in Hollywood, so I'm going to be, what do you call it, acting on his behalf tonight, okay? I'm going to act like a director. I'm going to tell you what the scene is, and then like directors do in Hollywood, I'm going to yell action. You act it out, do what you think is right for the scene. When I want you to stop, I'll yell cut. We'll do a few scenes. We've got video cameras set up in the back of the room. We're going to record the whole thing. We'll ship the video to him in Hollywood, and he'll get in touch with whoever he wants to win, to have the role, okay? I yell action, you start. I yell cut, you stop. No interfering with other people. It has to be fair. You've got to show you're a good worker, okay, and you can treat other people well. No climbing on chairs, no leaving the stage. All of your acting just on the stage. I got some sound effects. My friend the director is very thorough. He even gave me sound effects to help you get into character. Okay, everybody stand up. First scene. My friend the director needs to see how well you can exhibit childlike enthusiasm. So, he's a genius. How he thinks of this stuff, I don't know, but it always works. First scene, you're a little kid, 7 years old, you're on a merry-go-round, a carousel. It's your favorite ride. Completely happy, enjoying yourself. You're a little kid on a merry-go-round. And
so serious.
Action. You love the merry-go-round. You love the merry-go-round. That's the strangest freaking merry-go-round I've ever seen in my life. I don't even understand. I don't know what merry-go-round that kid's been on. I don't want to go on it. I don't want to go on it. I'm not paying to go on it. All right, let's move on. We got something to do. No, it's good though. You guys did good. All right. Next scene. This is more complicated. Well, it's not more complicated. It's just a different skill. You're not going to be in this movie by yourself. So you have to show you can work well with other actors. So everyone needs a partner. Get a partner. If we have an odd number of people, we can have a group of 3. It's okay to have a group of 3. Oh, we're perfect. Okay. You can use the whole stage for this one. You on one side of the stage, your partner on the opposite side of the stage. You on one side of the stage, your partner on the other side of the stage. We are going to the classic. Think about how popular these movies are. We're going to the genre of the Western. You in this scene are a cowboy or a cowgirl. You've been working hard all day. You're hot and you're dusty and you're sweaty. You were driving cattle all day.
Oh my God.
All right, this is real important. Body language, how do cowboys move, all that kind of stuff, okay? You're a cowboy or a cowgirl in the Wild Wild West. All you want to do at this point in the day is walk into town, get to the saloon, and get a nice cold sarsaparilla. All right? You guys make sure you stay off this front line. Again, I want you to be safe. You got plenty of room. You're good. Cowboy, cowgirl, sarsaparilla, action. Now, as you mosey into town, because cowboys mosey, right? That's what they do. As you mosey into town and you get into the saloon, who do you run into? Yeah, that one. The one that's always cheating at the poker table. The one that's always punking you out at the bar. And you decide you're not going to take it anymore. This is the Wild West. We serve up justice on our own. It's time for a duel. So you're going to turn and walk off like 4 paces. Turn and walk off like 4 paces. Then, this is where you really sell the scene. You're going to give your opponent what in the Westerns they call the 1,000-yard stare. Turn and give them the 1,000-yard stare. Yeah, intimidation. Like you stare right through their soul. And when you see that you got in their head, when you see that little glimmer of fear in their eyes, then you draw. Nice, that was awesome. Cut. All right, that's really good. All right, that's cool.